the 2025 Osaka Motorcycle Show, Honda took everyone by surprise with the unveiling of the CB1000F Concept, a bold throwback to its classic roots, wrapped in modern muscle. Just months after releasing the aggressive, futuristic-looking CB1000 Hornet, Honda swerved in the opposite direction, delivering a neo-retro masterpiece that looks like it time-traveled straight out of the early 80s. The CB1000F is a love letter to Honda's golden era, and it might just be heading to production. This isn't just a styling exercise. The CB1000F draws clear inspiration from the 1981 CB750F, with sharp nods to its legendary design. From the round LED headlight and long bench seat to the chrome exhaust headers and ducktail rear, everything screams classic Honda. And for longtime fans, the blue and silver livery is a nostalgic flashback to Freddie Spencer's iconic AMA Superbike days, a visual callback sure to stir hearts. In a market flooded with wild, alien-like designs, we're looking at you, KTM 1390 Super Duke. The CB1000F is refreshingly clean and cool. It brings the simplicity of old-school motorcycles with just the right touch of modern muscle. The fuel tank has a raised centerline, the tail section is tidy, and the silhouette is long and horizontal. A perfect platform for slow cinematic pans in your next garage or road trip video. But don't let the vintage looks fool you. This thing packs serious power. At its heart is a 998 cubic centimeters inline-four, derived from the CBR1000RR Fireblade. We're talking 150 horsepower and nearly 77 lb-ft of torque, tuned for punchy mid-range performance. This engine is shared with the CB1000 Hornet, but in the CB1000F, it might just become the most powerful retro-naked bike on the market. Under the skin, the CB1000F rides on a steel twin-spar frame, ditching the expensive single-sided swing arm of the CB1000R for a more affordable and rugged double-sided setup. Suspension duties are handled by Showa's SFF-BP inverted fork up front and a preload adjustable monoshock at the rear, the same components used on the CB1000 Hornet. Translation: you get proven, confidence-inspiring handling right out of the gate. In terms of ergonomics, Honda has nailed the balance between sporty and comfortable. Compared to the Hornet, the CB1000F features higher, closer handlebars and slightly forward-set foot pegs. The result is a more upright and relaxed riding position, making it perfect for daily rides and weekend getaways. Even the pillion seat looks more accommodating, with lowered passenger pegs for better comfort. Honda didn't stop at just one version either. At the Osaka show, they showcased 3 flavors of the CB1000F. The standard concept, a Moriwaki edition in deep blue with endurance racing DNA, and a custom model featuring a handcrafted aluminum swing arm. These builds hint that Honda might be planning more than just one trim, and if we're lucky, we might even see an SP version with Öhlins suspension and Brembo brakes. Despite its old-school attitude, the CB1000F is packed with tech. The bike features Honda's 5-inch full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity via the RoadSync app. You can expect ride modes, traction control, dual-channel ABS, and even wheelie control to be standard, all inherited from the tech-laden CB1000 Hornet. So yes, it may look retro, but it rides like a modern performance machine. Visually, the CB1000F is pure art, and it looks dangerously close to production ready. Between the muscular tank, chrome details, sculpted side panels, and polished exhaust tips, it's the kind of bike you'll want to shoot from every angle. Whether it's pulling up at a cafe or ripping through a canyon road, the CB1000F is bound to turn heads and light up camera lenses.